If you open ChatGPT and type a question the same way that you would do in a Google search, you're technically wasting your time. Most people are using AI as a search engine, but the top 1% are using it as a team of expert consultants. In this video, I'm going to show you the top AI secrets I found that will allow you to learn any new skill 10 times faster, cut your workload in half, and make you completely irreplaceable at work starting right now. Sounds interesting? Let's go to it. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Jorge, and I break down the AI tools that you need to become irreplaceable at your work. So if you want to stay up to date with the use of AI, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. First of all, if the questions that you ask ChatGPT sound like, how can I start an online business? Stop. You're leaving 90% of the AI's potential on the table. Instead of using these simple questions, you need to ask the AI to act as a business mentor. You need to give it a persona and a protocol. Try telling it this. Act as a world-class business mentor. Your goal is to guide me in building a successful business from the ground up. But here's the secret sauce. Before you give me any advice, you must fully understand my situation. Do not provide any plan yet. Instead, ask me as many targeted questions as necessary to understand my skills and my goals. Why is this important? Because it stops the AI from giving you generic, fluffy answers. It forces the AI to find your blind spots and analyze your logic. Now, you're not just getting a search result, you're getting a strategy session. Now, if you struggle to come up with a prompt like that one, don't worry, just let the AI guide you. This is the most amazing part about these tools. They can teach you how to use themselves. Think about Excel. To learn formulas, you had to take a course or watch a 20-minute tutorial. With AI, you can simply tell it you don't know what to do. Just try this. I want to create a highly effective prompt for X, but I don't know where to start. Act as a prompt engineer. Ask me questions one by one to understand my goal, and once you have enough info, draft the final prompt for me. It is that easy. You're now using AI to build your own expert tools. ChatGPT, or the tool that you use, will start asking you questions, and once it has all of the information it needs, it will come up with a very specific prompt that will give you 10 times better results. Secret number 3, the cheat code. If you ever need to understand a complex topic fast, and you don't really want to spend hours looking into different websites and sources, you can use this 2-step cheat code. The first step is for the research. For this, you will have to go to Perplexity and ask it to research your topic. Let's say, in this case, the keto diet. But specify this. Use only trusted sources like .gov or .edu websites. Perplexity will give you a thorough breakdown with real citations you can actually trust. Then for step number 2, you can copy all of these sources and paste them into NotebookLM. This is where it gets crazy. NotebookLM condenses everything in seconds. It not only gives you a summary, it lets you ask questions about those specific documents. And it can even generate an audio overview, like a mini podcast, that explains the entire topic to you while you're commuting or at the gym. Look at the quality of this.
Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we take a stack of the most rigorous academic sources and turn them into crucial, actionable knowledge, really tailored just for you. Today, we are undertaking a deep dive into one of the most talked about, most controversial and scientifically scrutinized dietary approaches of the last decade: low carbohydrate and ketogenic diets.
Right, and these aren't just weight loss fads anymore. I mean, not at all. They're being widely championed and in some circles pretty aggressively promoted for managing serious chronic conditions, most notably type 2 diabetes.
Exactly. So our mission here is to move past all the personal anecdotes and look directly at a dense pile of evidence. We're talking major clinical trials, comprehensive meta-analyses, and crucial scientific statements, including one from the National Lipid Association.
You just turn a week's worth of research into a 5-minute conversation. Let's go to secret number 4. NotebookLM can now generate presentations and infographics. Taking the same example of the keto diet, I can ask NotebookLM to generate a detailed slide deck with a prompt like this one. Create a slide deck for a non-expert audience about what is the ketogenic diet. Focus on what is a ketogenic diet by definition, what are the main problems it is solving, why are these issues happening, how is the ketogenic diet fixing these issues, how do you do a ketogenic diet, and any additional habit or action to do along with this diet. In minutes, you will get a presentation like this one, with illustrations from a professional designer. It also has facts, quotes, charts, and diagrams, all in a logical and high-impact flow. This would usually take a professional hours or even days to build manually. Pretty cool, isn't it? AI is already helping people get better results and save hours. The difference between being replaced by AI and becoming the person who manages AI is simply knowing how to communicate with it and what tools to use. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to stop treating it as a search bar and start treating it like the most brilliant and hardest working assistant you could ever have. Go try these secrets now and let me know in the comments which one saved you the most time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay ahead of 99% of the people in the use of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.